friends, this is Patty Bennett. I know you're not used to seeing this particular view. I'm recording this on my computer because what I'm going to share with you today are some tips and helpful ideas when you are trying to order in the online Stampin' Up! Store. So I have found that there have been a lot of questions specifically around the online exclusives. So I'm going to answer those questions, but also I just have some tips to share with you when you are looking for products in the online store. And then there's a new feature that Stampin' Up! Has released that is really helpful and handy. And I don't know if all of you have discovered that. So if you happen to be watching this close to the time that it's released, it is mid-March right now, 2025. And so the items, the products, the features that you are going to see in this video would be applicable right now. If you're watching this sometime in the future, it's possible that something wouldn't be available right now, or maybe one of these features has changed. But as of right now, I think you will find this really helpful. And then maybe I'll just have to redo this video in the future, right? So let me share my screen and you will see the customer view of the online Stampin' Up! Store, which if you are one of my customers, you can get to that by clicking in any of the shop online buttons on my blog. pattystamps.com is my blog, or you can go to pattystamps.com/shop. And that will get you to my online store. But if you're a customer of a different demonstrator, that's fine. Please shop with that demonstrator. If you are a demonstrator, just a little tip here for you, the things I am showing you in the customer online store still apply to the demonstrator site. So if you are a demonstrator and you are ordering for yourself on the demonstrator website, for yourself, you're placing an order, you will find the same tips and features available in the demonstrator store as well. So it'll look very similar, but there are, of course, a few differences on the demonstrator website. So let me share my screen and let me show you these tips. So you should be now seeing the online store. And if you, like I said, are one of my customers, then up at the top here, I don't know if my cursor shows up on this, but I'm circling it with my little pointer. Up at the top, it will say shopping with Patty Bennett. And that is how you know that you are placing your order with me. And it will also show up at the end and ask you to select a demonstrator or verify the demonstrator you are shopping with. But a few things I wanted to just go over. If you know specifically, let's say you're looking for real red cardstock and matching Stampin' Blends, just for instance, but you don't know the numbers, you can type in this search box. So if I type real red, it's going to come up with all of the products that have real red. So you can see it even has designer paper and the Memories and More pack and all these mix and match items, scrapbooking kits, the watercolor pencils, anything that has real red is going to show up in that search. So if you, let's say you needed a new real red ink pad, so you can click on that and you can just simply say add to cart. And right here is one of these new features that I was actually going to talk about a little later, but since it came up here, let me just show you this. Do you see right here where it says this product, excuse me, it says this product is part of the Regal's Classic Stampin' Pad bundle. And if you click on that, it will show you that. So you might be thinking, oh, well, maybe, gosh, I really want several of those colors. Maybe I just want to add that to my cart instead. So that's just kind of a really fun, interesting feature that they've added, but I'm going to go over that a little bit more when we talk about suites in just a moment. So again, let's say you were thinking, I love that mixed media floral paper. I can't remember exactly what the name is, but you can start typing something up in the search box and click enter, and it will show you results. So here we have that beautiful mixed media floral paper. And you can go through on the left side here and click all of these images to see close-up views of each pattern. So that's a great feature. And if you scroll to the bottom, you can also click on different ideas that they have, that the artists have made that feature that particular paper. Now, here's where I was going to talk about this really cool feature here. So it says that this paper is part of the Mixed Media Florals suite. And if I click on that, it'll show me the whole suite. I can scroll through and I can see what is included. I can see a close-up of all the dies, the embossing folder, the paper we just looked at, and the embellishments. They're all part of that suite. But if you use this drop-down arrow, look at that. It shows you all of the items that are in that suite. So maybe we want to look at the mixed label bundle. We can click on that and then we can look at that. And maybe that's all I wanted to add to my cart out of this suite. Then you can do that. Or if you go back to the suite and you think, yeah, I think I really want that whole suite, you could just add the whole thing to your cart. Or again, if we were just after that paper, because that's what I originally said I wanted to look for, I can click on the paper and I can say, yeah, I think I just want 2 packs of that, and I can add that to my cart. And then if you want to go to your cart, you can, or of course you can just keep shopping. So if you know the actual item code of the item you wanted, so for instance, this is 1646, oops, it disappeared. 164638. So 164638. So let's say somebody told you that was the item code that they wanted you to order, or you wrote it down. You can type the item code in as well as those keywords and still get to that product. Okay, so that's if you're kind of searching for something specific and you know what you're looking for, if it's a certain color, if it's a, something Christmas, if it's a die, if it's a punch, you could even, just type in punch and you can see all of the punches. So you can go by different categories in that search box, okay? Or menu is a great place to start as well. That's over on the left. And you can search by stamps, ink, paper, bundles, suites, online exclusive, kits, or there's a view all and it will show you even more. Or you can just scroll down here and you can shop by all different, maybe you just want to look at memory keeping or packaging ideas or all the suites in one place. So here's all the suites listed in one spot. Maybe we want to look at that lovely garden suite. And so we click on that and it will show us all the parts and pieces available in that suite. So lots of ways to navigate around. But specifically what I just wanted to highlight today is the online exclusive. So you can get there right here. I clicked menu, online exclusive. And these are the items that are not in a catalog. And I know that there has been some questions, there has been a little confusion. There are new items relaunched in this category January, March, May, July, September, and November. So 6 times per year, there are dozens of products that are launched in this section. So you'll always find the kits, but then you'll also find everything else that was launched in the online exclusive. So if you want to sort, it defaults to newest, but you might want to sort by maybe price. Maybe you want to find the best bargain. So you're going to sort by lowest price. And you can find, look at this, items for $4, $4.80, $6. And that is a great way to look for bargains in the last chance list if you would like to do that. So you can sort by newest, oldest, relevance, price low to high, price high to low, or alphabetical order. Maybe your brain works better by looking at things in alphabetical order. And so you can do that as well. Excuse me. Am I losing my voice after so many days at on stage? I think that's entirely possible. Oh my goodness. So this particular online exclusive is one of my favorites, mainly because of these textured notes dies. And this is such a fabulous die set. And I wanted to show you something that's a little bit handy when you're looking at dies. If you use these little pictures over at the left, you can click on what the die actually looks like. Because sometimes when you're looking at this picture, it's not always clear, like, does that cut the whole thing out, or is it only a border, or is it a partial? But if you look at the actual die, it does help, at least for me, to see what the actual die itself looks like. And then look, all these great ideas that you can use to boost your creativity with that wonderful bundle. And or suite, excuse me. And if you want to go back to the entire suite, you can use that drop-down menu to look at that and look at everything that's in the suite. So I hope these tips are helpful. You can sort, you can click on search at the top, you can click on menu. Of course, you can click on what's new, specials. Last chance list is always a fabulous place to find the best bargains. And this is where I always use that price low to high, because I want to see what the absolute best deals are. And that I shop this a lot. Isn't that fun to see all the very best deals? Look at that two-tone cardstock for $7.20 for the whole pack. I mean, how can you beat that, right? Fabulous. So searching, sorting, online exclusive, drop-down menus, close-ups of products. And I don't know, I hope that this helps. Let me stop sharing so I can actually, well, I can't see you. I was going to say so I could see you, but I can't see you, but you can see me. But I hope that is helpful so that you can see where to find the products and so that you can click on that online exclusive tab to see the hundreds of products that we have in our online store that you're not going to find in a catalog. And I know it's overlooked, but I also know that it can be overwhelming. There's a lot there. We have so many products available, but I hope that that was helpful to you. And if you need a catalog, or if you need help navigating the site, placing your order, or getting your project supplies together, I'd be happy to help you. Again, my name is Patty Bennett, and my blog is pattystamps.com. You can use the contact button there, the shop button there. You can subscribe to my newsletters there, and you can see over 6,000 blog posts that I have there for you. I have been a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator for 30 years. And so I have lots and lots and lots of projects, tips, ideas, color combos, videos, etc. for you there. And I hope that this was a helpful video to you. Let me know if you have any questions. And thanks for joining me.